during the session that I had last night. Basically, this is not my first time trying facial. And I do remember na sabi ko last time, hindi na ako magpapa-facial ulit. Never, kasi ang sakit. Anong ginawa ko? I did come back. Gusto ko lang i-share na talagang masakit siya. So, there's a process, a step by step. Depende sa kung anong type of facial yung binook mo. So, sa akin kasi, ang ginagawa nila is acne treatment. May binigay sila sa akin acne treatment plan. Pinaka-ayokong step is yung extraction or pricking of the pimples kasi sobrang sakit. 1 million out of 5. As in, talagang luha ako malala kasi ang sakit-sakit talaga. Or ewan ko, depende rin sa pain tolerance ng tao. After nung step na yon, i-cool down naman yan. And then yun, mawawala na. Pag facial, yung moment lang na yun na ina-extract, sobrang sakit. So, palagan mo na lang, tapusin mo. After that, maglilib lang siya ng mga red marks, syempre, kasi pre-nick. Pero after some time, mawawala na. Unti-unti nang mag-glow ulit yung skin mo. So, ayan. I did the facial last night, and kakagising ko lang ngayon. Yun lang naman. I just wanna share my experience. Parang kung natatakot din kayo magpa-facial, pero you want to improve your skin, huwag kang matakot. Always ask. Try to find a clinic that is trusted, na comfortable ka to do the procedure there or the session there, and yun lang. Basta, it's good to try new things for yourself. Na you'll never know kailangan mo pala, and you'll never know that can make you happy. So, yun. Have a great day ahead. Mag-push na ako so I can start my freaking day. Alright, bye!